Welcome to the new lesson of our course on how to increase conversions and engagement of your online presence. In this lesson, we'll talk about layers or floating banners. We'll first see what they are, when can we use them, and we will also see how you can create them. Let's start with the definition. A layer or a floating banner, sometimes even called notification bar, is a graphic element which help you highlight something on your website. The goal is to grab the attention of the visitors. When people visit your website, you can use layers to grab the attention and direct them to a particular place on your website or to another website. Instead of using words, you will use image that will be highlighted on your website. We will pause the presentation here and we will see an example. Here is an example of a layer or floating banner. As you can see in this example, the layer is displayed in the bottom of the website and it says join the VIP area to win awesome prizes, and users can join the area by clicking the button displayed here. As people scroll down your website or blog, the banner remains constant, it stays in the same position, and it can easily grab the attention of the visitors. We will now go back to presentation and we will see how we can use layers on a website. First of all, we have said that layers are used on a website. They cannot be used on social networks such as Facebook. The purpose of the layer is to direct the visitors to a certain place you're interested in. Let's see some examples. The layer can help you promote the promotion you're organizing. For example, if you're organizing a contest or you are distributing coupons on your website or organizing a sweepstake, you would create the page where people can access the promotion and you would use a layer to highlight the promotion on your website. This way, when visitors come to your website, regardless of the page they visit, they will see the layer that could easily direct them to the page of your promotion. Another example where we can use layer is to highlight a featured product. For example, if you want to increase profit and to increase sales of a certain product, you can use layer to highlight that product and ask people to visit the product page. Layers can also be used to highlight gamification area on your website, as well as to direct the visitors to an inquiry form on your website. Depending on the goal you want to achieve, whether you want to highlight the promotion or increase conversions or direct visitors to the social networks, you can use layers for either of these purposes. Layers can direct visitors to a page inside or outside your website. We will now show you how to create a layer. We can create a layer with or without High Social. If you are not using High Social, you will need a designer or a program to design a layer and to modify the graphic elements. We would advise using HTML5, which allow banner to load much faster as you will not use images. We will leave the presentation for this purpose. And here is High Social platform. Here we see an option to create banner. Click on this option. Here you have three options. You can create large layer that can be positioned at the bottom or upper part of your website. We also have small layer, also positioned in the bottom or upper part of the website, and small layer that can be positioned on right or left side of the website. And here we have an example. We have chosen the second option, small layer bottom up. Here you will type the text you want to display in the layer. As you type the text, the layer changes. The second field is the button text. Then you provide your website address, choose the position, up or bottom. You can choose the design. There are three types, black, red, and green color. You can choose font. You can choose font type depending on the website. And after you have finished all of the settings, you will see the code here. Simply copy the code and paste it to your website, and this will generate the banner. If you want to use this layer on every page of your website or blog, you can use widgets for this purpose. Let's see an example with WordPress blog. Find Appearances and find Widgets. Find the text widget and place it inside sidebar. Click on the widget and copy the code you have generated with HiSocial. Click on Save, and the banner will appear on every page on your website. As you can see, the process of creating a banner or layer is quite simple. In the next lesson, we will talk about coupons. Coupons include both printable coupons to be used in stores and electronic coupons that can be used for online shopping. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in the next lesson as well.